Guinea, a land of paradox, abundant in natural resources, diverse in geography, yet economic growth remains elusive to most Papua New Guineans. 87% of the population live in rural areas, heavily reliant on subsistence farming. Not surprisingly, many in Papua New Guinea are on the fringe of the monetary economy. 75% have no access to formal financial service. Banking, insurance, while high on policy agendas, are yet to make an impact on the ground. Only 2% of the 8 million strong population is insured, a shockingly low number.
If we look at PNG and compare it to the other Pacific Island countries, there are quite a few factors which are common and quite a few factors which are quite unique to PNG. So we have a population of roughly around 8 million, and the second largest Pacific Island country is Fiji, which has a population of almost 1 million. And then if you take the other 4 countries together with it, Solomon Islands, Vanuatu, Tonga and Samoa, all collectively are less than 1 million. So 80% of the population within these 6 countries where we operated is in PNG. Definitely there is far more scope, there is far more numbers. The risk perspective of PNG is much higher, which calls for a larger insurance cover base, which is actually not the case.
The wantok system, a social glue that binds the Papua New Guinean society, becomes an easy replacement for all financial needs. Any attempt to formalize financial activities is a tough ask. It is a battle against mindset.
80% of our people live in the rural areas, less than 20% are in the workforce. Even amongst them, you'll be surprised how many of them are not insured. Even the top guys, the educated ones too. And only when they are sick, then they talk about raising some money for heart surgery overseas. Their wantoks will help when somebody dies. We just dig deep. We have to pay for the funeral home. We have to take the body home. It's very, very costly. We have to do a feast. It's sort of guaranteed. When I die, I'm going to be taken care of. I'm going to be buried honorably. And they're going to do everything to meet the cost of my burial.
There are 4 licensed life insurance companies, 15 general insurers, 9 brokers. Despite that, insurance is yet to become mainstream. Along with a lack of awareness and access, affordability is a contributing factor to the low penetration rate.
Any service that you deliver, you have fixed cost. When the number of people that you serve is less, the cost per person will goes up because your fixed cost has to be apportioned to these people. So this is why we feel that until you reach a substantial number of people, you will have the issue of the cost. There are few things that we can do to make it something compulsory as an additional benefit or a compulsory service. If you contribute to a super fund, if you have a fixed deposit, this can be an additional benefit. That's one way of making it popular. Second one is the government have to look at the ways of subsidizing it at the initial stage.
Papua New Guinea's insurance landscape has a range of products available, which can be categorized into compulsory insurance and voluntary insurance. Third-party motor vehicle insurance and workers' compensation supplied via a licensed PNG insurer are mandatory. However, the general population or a business house or an SME can proactively get health, life, home, property, comprehensive motor vehicle, travel, and commercial insurance. Despite PNG's unique challenges, the market potential is immense, but it is in the interest of insurance policy holders if there is greater collaboration between the lawmakers, regulators, financial institutions, and insurance players to create a robust framework.
If we really want to make an impact when it comes to insurance, we will need the players to come up with solutions which makes the product really lucrative and friendly for the customer, where they see a value, it is affordable, and second is how easy is it to access that particular product.
So we have to make it simpler by saying no waiting period. As soon as you pay the premium, you're covered. That's sort of simplifying and making it more accessible as well as being affordable, I think in that way we can actually speed up the rate at which we are insuring a number of people.
So I feel there will be a new entrance into the market in time to come who will concentrate on the market. And also I think the SME drive, which is being driven by the government, will open up new avenues for the insurance industry as well to cover these SMEs.
The urban areas are already witnessing the workforce embrace the concept of insurance, slowly but steadily. The next decade will be the turning point in spreading the protection of insurance across the country through legislation, technology, innovation, and financial literacy. Getting an insurance policy will go a long way in protecting yourself, your family, and everything you value. Get insured, rest assured.